Well, hello all. This is Loner 420 from Loner 420 House. Peace all. Yeah, I stayed at home again today. Gonna have myself a dab. Started today. Lots of fog this morning. Vancouver Island. I don't know, global warming or something. But the East Coast is getting this major snowstorm. And here on Vancouver Island, we wake up with fog, can barely see down the street. Now it's all cleared up. But you know, it's like plus 10 out here. So yeah, I'm gonna have myself a dab. Good old honey oil. Loner 420, honey oil. Again, happy 420 all. Can't believe it, January 27th. I mean, it's like spring out here. Yeah. Again, happy 420 all. Vancouver Island, January 2015. Signing out.